Hello students, I am here again to explain the next structural component of bacteria. Okay, you know very well that we are studying here about the structure of bacteria. Okay, so here we are studying the bacteria structure. So in this video we are going to study the next structural component, like you can see here about the flagella. Okay, this one is flagella, and also this is flagella. These all structures which are arises from the cell wall of bacteria, those all structures are flagella. Now what are they? So flagella are, you can see here that these are long and hook like structure. Okay, like you can see here. तो flagella क्या होते हैं, बहुत long structures होती हैं and they are arises from the cell wall of the bacteria, and especially the function of these flagella. Now remember here that flagellum, okay, flagellum is the singular word, like bacteria is the plural word and flagellum is the singular word. Okay, so flagellum एक होगा, flagella ये सारे बॉडी पर ओके, जैसे ये सारे flagella है सारे बॉडी पर, these all are flagella. Okay, but flagellum only single flagella. ओके, तो फ्लैजेला क्या होते हैं? दीज आर हेल्प इन लोकोमोशन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, दीज आर हेल्प इन movement of bacteria, all bacteria. Now some of bacteria will not have the flagella, so that's why they are not moving from place to place, they cannot move. But in case of having the flagella, the bacteria can move from place to place. Okay, so these bacteria can move from place to place because of having the flagellum. Okay, so now, and must have to remember here that these all flagellum are made up of specially flagellin protein. You must have to remember flagellin protein. Okay, this is the protein that will make the flagella. This is the chemical structure of the flagella. So must have to remember, and these all flagella will help in movement on locomotion, and they are long. Okay, they are long in structure, in morphology. Okay, this is sufficient about the flagella. So especially must have to remember here, first thing, the flagella are arises from the bacterial surfaces. One thing, they are made up of flagellin protein, and also they are help in movement or locomotion. Main function, the locomotion will occur with the help of flagella. Okay, this is about the flagellum. Next thing, now you can see here the small structures like fimbriae and also the pili. Okay, pili are next structures, like you can see fimbriae or pili. So these are the next, but these are the smaller than the length of the flagella. Okay, flagella के कंपेयर में जो नेक्स्ट तरह के जो फाइबर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होंगी वो क्या होंगी, उनको हम पिलाई बोलेंगे. लाइक यू कैन राइट हेयर पिलाई. ओके, पिलाई, and these are chemically made up of pillin protein. Pillin, okay, pillin protein, these are made up of pillin protein. So especially now must have to remember here again that pili especially are present in gram negative bacteria. Okay, and especially the flagella are present in both kind of bacteria, either in gram positive, gram negative. And you know very well that yesterday I have told you about the gram positive and gram negative. Okay, because this is the category on the basis of gram staining method. Okay, that is the other thing. So here we are discussing the structural component flagella and also the pili. So especially you must have to remember flagella help in locomotion. Okay, and pili, they are helpful in sexual conjugation. Now must have to remember the सेक्सुअल कंजुगेशन का मतलब हो गया कि बैक्टीरिया ऑल्सो भी रिप्रोड्यूसेस बाय सेक्सुअल मोड, एंड दैट्स वाई टू ट्रांसफ़र द जेनेटिक मटेरियल सेक्सुअल कंजुगेशन. बैक्टीरिया में जो रिप्रोडक्शन होता है उसको हम कॉन्जुगेशन बोलते हैं, कंजुगेशन. ओके, कंजुगेशन प्रोसेस. कंजुगेशन में क्या होता है, ये दोनों बैक्टीरिया एक दूसरे की सरफेस से अटैच हो जाते हैं। क्लियर, एक दूसरे की सरफेस से ये दो बैक्टीरिया अटैच हो जाएंगे और जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल यानी कि डीएनए होगा वो एक बैक्टीरिया का डीएनए दूसरे बैक्टीरिया में चला जाएगा थ्रू दिस स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड पिलाई। ओके, तो पिलाई आर हेल्पफुल इन सेक्सुअल कंजुगेशन, मस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर सेक्सुअल कंजुगेशन यानी कि सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। कंजुगेशन रिप्रोडक्शन इज कॉल्ड द reproduction in bacteria, reproduction in bacteria called the conjugation process or conjugation method. Okay, so this is about the sexual reproduction in bacteria. So remember here, pili are helpful in sexual conjugation in transferring of genetic material like DNA from one cell to another cell, from one bacteria to another bacteria. So when DNA is transferred through these pili, this is called the conjugation process. Okay, so till now we have studied about the bacteria, flagellum and also the pili. Next thing about the fimbriae. Fimbriae are also like to that of the pili. So fimbriae are helpful in अटैचिंग टू एनी सरफेस। क्या होता है ना, कभी कोई बैक्टीरिया जितने भी होते हैं वो किसी भी सरफेस से अटैच हो सकते हैं, तो द फिम्ब्रियाई विल हेल्प इन attachment of bacteria to any host surface. Okay, and must have to remember ribosome are also present there. Ribosome, you know, in ninth class you have studied about the ribosome. So ribosome, these are the small drop like structures and they are made up of ribosomal RNA genetic material especially. Okay, but must have to remember these are the prokaryotic cell. So in prokaryotic cell the ribosome type, ribosome के बहुत सारे टाइप होते हैं। ओके, तो स्पेशली यहाँ पर 70S राइबोसोम। ओके, 70S टाइप राइबोसोम विल बी प्रेजेंट हियर। दिस इज अबाउट द बैक्टीरियल कंपोनेंट। ओके, सो हियर वी नो दैट अबाउट वन स्ट्रक्चरल कंपोनेंट फ्लैजेलम। यहाँ हमने फ्लैजेलम के बारे में स्टडी किया, फ्लैजेलम एंड नेक्स्ट पिली and third one is ribosome. Okay, so this is the complete structure of bacteria. Okay, till now we have studied the complete structure of bacteria here. Okay, and still if you have any confusion then you can discuss with me. Okay, thank you. I am recalling again here, the outermost surface is mucilage, the outermost surface is mucilage and just below the mucilage is cell wall. Second one structure, just below cell wall the plasma membrane, or you can say this is the mesosome. That is very important structural component because this will provide the energy to the bacteria. And next thing is about the most important flagellum or flagella, and next is pili. So here you know very well the differentiation between flagella and pili in their function and in structure also. Flagella will help in locomotion while pili helpful in sexual conjugation or sexual reproduction. Okay, so this is all about the structure of bacteria. Okay, still if you have any confusion then you can discuss with me.